Alrighty then, more silicone.
Hi! This is her gonna be right now.
So what I want to do, I'm on the back of the fin obviously. I have more fabric here that I need to get kind of covered up before I start into the body part of the tail. I want to also get a little bit more silicone between the plastic and the fabric, so I'll squirt under here. And yeah, just more silicone all over. So let's go. Obviously I still want to keep these loose because I'm going to coat those later so that they're just sort of little flappy fins. So when it's time to do these fins here, I'm actually going to have it probably on top of like a clothes dryer kind of thing, so that it will sit flat and these will just hang down. And then I'll be able to coat both sides and just have them hanging out, and they'll have their own little body to them. And now I'm just gonna put like a light coating on this part here. Yeah, very soon I'm actually going to start hanging this thing upside down from its fin so that I can start working on the body part of the tail. Okay, so I still have a balloon in here. I just stuffed in some bags just to keep it from getting any weird little creases as this first little kind of a skim coat goes down. So that's what that is all about. So once this has sort of set a little bit over top, then I'll show you the other side where we had done the fold and the sort of the 3-layer fold pinch and the silicone on top and inside, and flattened it out to get rid of that crease at the top. That actually turned out really nice. It's nice and strong, so I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. But I'll show you when I flip it over in a little bit. Again, since we're closer to the finish of the bottom part of the tail here, I just want to go in a downwards direction so that the water will skim the same way once it's actually in the pool. A little more hydrodynamic that way. Okay, let's let that set up again.